Setting realistic project objectives and goals. Title: Setting realistic project objectives and goals, the key to successful project management. Introduction, 100 words. Setting realistic project objectives and goals is a critical component of successful project management. Whether it's in business, education, or any other field, having clear and achievable objective sets the tone for the entire project and increases the likelihood of its success. What are project objectives and goals? 200 words. Project objectives and goals are the specific, measurable outcomes that a project aims to achieve within a predefined timeframe. Objectives are broad statements outlining the desired end result, will. Goals are specific targets that contribute to the achievement of these objectives. Both objectives and goals are crucial for project success, as they provide direction and purpose, helping project teams stay focused and on track. The importance of realistic objectives and goals, 300 words. Setting realistic objectives and goals is vital for several reasons. Firstly, realistic goals create a sense of purpose and motivation among team members. When goals are achievable, individuals are or likely to be engaged and proactive in their efforts. Unrealistic goals, on the other hand, can demoralize team members and lead to decreased performance. Secondly, realistic project objectives minimize the risk of failure and increase the chances of successful project completion. When objectives are unattainable, projects can easily become derailed, leading to missed deadlines, unexpected costs, and ultimately project failure. By setting realistic objectives, project managers can better allocate resources and manage stakeholders' expectations, reducing the likelihood of these potential setbacks. Thirdly, realistic objectives and goals contribute to effective project planning and decision-making. When objectives are well-defined and achievable, project teams can develop comprehensive strategy and action plans accordingly. This allows for better resource allocation, risk assessment, and stakeholder management, enabling project managers to navigate potential roadblocks more effectively. Strategies for setting realistic project objectives and goals, 500 words. Setting realistic project objectives and goals requires careful planning and consideration. Here are some strategies to help project managers define objectives and goals that are both challenging and achievable. 1. Understand the project's context. Before setting objectives and goals, it is crucial to gain a thorough understanding of the project's background, scope, and constraints. By considering these factors, project managers can set objectives that align with the project's purpose and limitations. 2. Use the SMART framework. The SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, framework is a widely used approach for setting realistic objectives and goals. Each objective and goal should be specific and clearly define what needs to be accomplished. They should also be measurable, allowing progress to be tracked objectively. Achievability is essential to ensure objectives are within reach, taking into account available resources and constraints. Objectives should also be relevant, aligning with the project's purpose and strategic objectives. Lastly, time-bound goals provide a clear deadline and sense of urgency. 3. Involve key stakeholders. Engaging key stakeholders in the objective-setting process can lead to more realistic and meaningful objectives. Stakeholders bring diverse perspectives and insights that can help evaluate feasibility and identify potential roadblocks, ensuring that objectives are achievable. 4. Break down objectives into smaller goals. Large-scale objectives can be overwhelming and may lack clarity. Breaking them down into smaller, more manageable goals allows for better planning and moan. Iterating. This enables the project team to focus on incremental progress towards the larger objective, boosting morale and maintaining momentum. 5. Continuously assess and adjust. Set objectives and goals should be regularly reviewed and adjusted if necessary. As projects evolve, new information may arise or circumstances may change, requiring adaptations to ensure their continued feasibility and relevance. Benefits of setting realistic project objectives and goals, 200 words. Setting realistic project objectives and goals yields a multitude of benefits. Firstly, it improves communication and coordination among team members by providing a shared understanding of Project X. Expectations. When everyone is aligned with the same goals, collaboration and synergy increase, enhancing overall productivity and teamwork. Secondly, having well-defined objectives and goals improves project performance and efficiency. With clear targets in place, project teams can prioritize and allocate resources effectively. This reduces wasted efforts and ensures that activities align with the project's objectives, leading to faster and more efficient project completion. Finally, setting realistic project objectives and goals enhances stakeholder satisfaction. When stakeholders are aware of project objectives, progress, and challenges, they are more likely to be supportive and understanding. Effective stakeholder management builds trust and improves relationships, increasing the likelihood of obtaining necessary resources and support throughout the project's life cycle. The key steps in project execution, 400 words. Once clear and realistic objectives and goals have been set, it is crucial to execute the project effectively. The following steps are key to successful project execution. 1. Develop a detailed project plan. A well-structured project plan outlines the activities, resources, timelines, and milestones required to achieve the objectives and goals. It serves as a roadmap for the project team, providing clarity and direction. The project plan should be comprehensive, ensuring that all aspects of the project are considered and accounted for. 2. Assign responsibilities and roles. Clearly define the responsibilities and roles